Are you paying a hefty monthly fee to your email marketing platform? Most email providers get expensive as the number of subscribers increases. Making it worse, the email deliverability still tanks after a while. But you can send emails at a fraction of the price by using your own SMTP server. There's a platform which allows you to connect your SMTP server to send marketing emails at an affordable price and outstanding email deliverability. Whereas most popular platforms charge $199 a month for 10,000 subscribers. If you're not tech savvy, don't worry. Set up step-by-step tutorials and great support to get it up and running. For a limited time, you can buy a subscription for a one-time fee.
Money move from problem owner to problem solver. And you call them Yahoo boys. Not everybody does fraud online. As a matter of fact, the fraudsters don't even make a lot of money as compared to those who sell products. Nigerians run the industry. Nigerians run everything worldwide. Nigerians run the software industry. Nigerians run a lot. You know, Calendly is owned by a Nigerian. So many other big softwares are owned by Nigerians. And how do you think these guys made it so big? By email subscribers. And if you have email subscribers, how do you reach out to them without an email marketing system? Today, I give you the opportunity to have the lifetime version of my software for $250 only. A lot of people say I wasn't doing music for a while. Yeah, I wasn't doing music for a while because I was working on this. You know, because at the end of the day, the only way you can not kiss people's ass is by being able to do your sales by yourself. I learned this stuff. I learned the in and out. We paid a lot of money to get this software program tested, and now it's up and running. I like to call it the best email and cold marketing software in the world with artificial intelligence and a calendar.